The internet has revolutionized the way we shop, making it easier and more convenient than ever before. E-commerce is booming and more people are buying products online from the comfort of their homes. This trend is only going to grow stronger as technology advances and consumer habits continue to shift. This presents a fantastic opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs to tap into a growing market. You can open your own online store and reach customers around the world, breaking geographical barriers. Shopify is a platform that makes it incredibly easy to start an online business, even if you're a complete beginner. You don't need any technical knowledge or prior experience in web development. Shopify provides all the tools you need to build, launch, and grow your store, from customizable templates to powerful analytics. Whether you're selling handmade crafts, digital products, or anything in between, Shopify can handle it all, offering a seamless experience for both sellers and buyers. Starting a business can be daunting, filled with uncertainties and challenges. But with Shopify, you can focus on what you do best, creating amazing products and connecting with your customers, leaving the technicalities to the platform. Shopify takes care of the technical complexities so you don't have to worry about them. It's like having a team of experts working behind the scenes to ensure your success, providing support and guidance whenever you need it. This essay will guide you through the process of starting a Shopify store, step by step. We'll cover everything from setting up your store to marketing your products effectively. By the end, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to launch your own online business and start your journey towards e-commerce success. Shopify is a leading e-commerce platform trusted by millions of businesses worldwide. It empowers entrepreneurs to build successful online businesses, providing them with all the tools they need. But what makes Shopify so great? What sets it apart from other platforms? Let's explore its key benefits and see why so many choose Shopify. Firstly, Shopify is incredibly user-friendly, designed with simplicity in mind. Its intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate and manage your store, even for beginners. You don't need to be tech-savvy to get started. Shopify guides you every step of the way with comprehensive tutorials and support. From adding products to processing orders, Shopify simplifies the entire process, making it seamless. Secondly, Shopify offers a high level of customization, allowing you to tailor your store to your brand. You can choose from a wide range of professional themes to design a store that truly reflects your brand's identity. Customize colors, fonts, and layouts to create a unique and visually appealing online presence that stands out. Thirdly, Shopify provides secure and reliable payment processing, ensuring peace of mind. It integrates with multiple payment gateways, allowing you to accept payments from customers worldwide effortlessly. Shopify ensures secure transactions, protecting both you and your customers with advanced security measures. Finally, Shopify offers excellent customer support, which is crucial for any business. Their team is available 24/7 to assist you with any questions or issues you may encounter, no matter the time. Whether you need help with setting up your store or troubleshooting a technical problem, Shopify's support team is always there to help, ensuring your business runs smoothly. Now let's dive into the exciting part, setting up your Shopify store. This process is straightforward and user-friendly. Follow these step-by-step instructions and you'll be up and running in no time. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign up for a Shopify account. This is your first step towards creating an online presence. Visit the Shopify website and sign up for a 14-day free trial. This gives you ample time to explore the platform. You'll need to provide your email address, password, and store name. Make sure to choose a unique store name that represents your brand. Step 2. Choose a Shopify plan. This is crucial for your business's growth. Shopify offers different pricing plans to suit various business needs. Whether you're a startup or an established business, there's a plan for you. Select a plan that aligns with your budget and requirements. Consider the features each plan offers. Step 3. Customize your store. This is where you can get creative. Choose a theme that reflects your brand aesthetic. Shopify offers a variety of themes to choose from. Customize your store's colors, fonts, and layout using Shopify's easy-to-use theme editor. Step 4. Add products. Upload high-quality images, write compelling product descriptions, and set appropriate prices for your products. This will attract customers and drive sales. Step 5. Set up payment and shipping. This ensures a smooth transaction process for your customers. Connect your Shopify store with your preferred payment gateway. This could be PayPal, Stripe, or any other option. And configure shipping rates based on your products and target locations. Make sure to offer competitive shipping options. Step 6. Launch your store. This is the moment you've been working towards. Once you've completed the setup process, it's time to launch your store to the world. Get ready to welcome your first customers. Click the Publish button, and your online store will be live. Congratulations on taking the first step towards your e-commerce journey. Section 4. Spreading the word, marketing your Shopify store. Congratulations on launching your Shopify store. Now it's time to attract customers and drive sales. Here are some effective marketing strategies to get you started. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is crucial. Optimize your store for search engines to improve its visibility. Conduct keyword research to identify relevant terms, optimize your product pages, and build high-quality backlinks to your store. Next, there's social media marketing. Create engaging content and leverage the power of social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to reach your target audience. Run targeted ads to amplify your reach. Don't forget about email marketing. Build an email list and send out regular newsletters, promotional offers, and updates to keep your customers engaged. Lastly, consider paid advertising. Invest in paid advertising platforms like Google Ads and social media ads to drive targeted traffic to your store. Section 5. Managing and growing your online empire. As your Shopify store gains traction, it's crucial to manage your operations effectively and explore growth opportunities. For order management, streamline your order fulfillment process to ensure timely delivery. Use Shopify's built-in tools or integrate with third-party apps to automate tasks and manage inventory. Customer service is also key. Provide excellent customer service to build brand loyalty. Respond promptly to inquiries, address concerns, and go the extra mile to exceed customer expectations. When it comes to scaling your business, as your business grows, explore ways to scale your operations. Consider using apps and integrations to automate tasks, expand your product offerings, and explore multi-channel selling opportunities. Section 6. Taking the plunge. Your Shopify journey begins. Starting a Shopify store is an exciting journey filled with opportunities. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you'll be well on your way to building a successful online business. Remember, the key is to take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment, start today. Embrace the learning process, experiment with different strategies, and never be afraid to seek help when needed. The world of e-commerce awaits, and with Shopify by your side, you have the tools and support to thrive. Section 7. Conclusion, your path to e-commerce success. In conclusion, Shopify provides an exceptional platform for aspiring entrepreneurs to launch and grow their online businesses. Its user-friendliness, customization options, secure payment processing, and excellent customer support make it an ideal choice for businesses of all sizes. By following the step-by-step guide outlined in this essay, you can confidently set up your Shopify store, market your products effectively, and manage your operations efficiently. Remember to stay adaptable, continuously learn and improve, and leverage the vast resources and support available within the Shopify ecosystem. Embrace the journey and watch your online business flourish. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and watch more of our great videos. Thanks for watching!